Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sanjit Singh, and I'm a final year student. I'm pursuing my engineering from Chennai, but right now I'm doing my internship in Railtel India Private Limited. It is in Gurgaon. So, as you all know about Indian railway system, it's a very vast and very large network. As you all can see, while traveling in a train, you can use your phone, you can use internet, you can call to your friends, you can call to your parents, you can call to your anyone. So for that, you know that lots of towers are installed, but instead of that, railway has installed optical fiber lines as parallel to the railway tracks for the better communication, for better for tracking the trains, for telling the expected train arrival of trains and everything related to the sorry, railway. So this is the main final year project details. I've created an application for that. These are the main files. What you have to do to running the project or anything, you have to go in database, you have to open it with the edit option. If you want to make any changes in your main project, or if you want to change, if you want to increase anything more, or else if you want to change the name of a administrator or his name or his number, anything, you can change it from here. Any change has to be done in this database file only. This is the main important file for the project. You have to select all, you have to copy it and close it. You have to open SQL view. I've already opened. You have to paste that database file material and that space like this, and you have to click on execute current query. It will show you with this message, but leave it, no problem. Just minimize it. This is the main application for the project, NetBeans IDE 801, and I've already opened because it will take minimum 10 to 20 seconds to open. If you want to upload any project what you have created, or if you have any other projects, you can upload it from here. Like my project is in final year project detail. This is my project. I've given one icon for that also. Like we can open project. If you want to run it, just click on it and run the project. It will take some time. This is my project I've done with my two other friends, and it will take some time. Okay. This is my main home page, login page. You might be thinking why I've chosen Internet Explorer instead of Chrome and Firefox as a default browser. As you all know, this is the main pre-installed web browser in any OS. So this is the thing, like you can open the web application in a very least and very back kind of a browser also. Like all the government companies, they are using, still they are using with the Internet Explorer. So I've made this. It's compatible with everything. I've there are two main users for this. One is staff and one is administrator. Administrator, it is the main central command. It is in Mumbai, and I'm doing internship in Railtel Corporation. It is in Delhi or Gurgaon. So what their work is, like as I told you about optical fiber lines, if as you can See, if like we'll take two stations, one is Lucknow and one is Kanpur. You know the distance between the Lucknow and Kanpur. It is maximum 3 hours. So, if anything happens to the optical fiber line, like as you all know, floods and earthquake and all, if anything happens to that optical fiber line, it will break the connection between the trains and everything. It will break the communication. So for maintaining that communications, there are some companies who will repair it, and after repairing, they will prepare a chart, they will prepare a database that how much data, how much was lost, how much wire was lost, like how much they have put. They have to create a database and they have to send to the main Railtel corporation. Like I'm doing internship in that company right now. So there are some senior employees who has to collect all the databases from the different companies, and he has to maintain one more database, and that database he has to send it to the main command, Mumbai. So to make their job easy, like the work easy, because that work was so time consuming. It's a paperwork. It will take more time. Here's in this application you can sit at your home and you can do it. It's a very good application for that. First, I'll go log in as a staff. His name is Amit Jindal. His user ID name is Jindal. Password is same. And login. This is the main home page for Jindal. You can visit his profile. You can check anything about Jindal, Amit Jindal. He's the staff, so he has to maintain the record. What fault has been occurred? What company has repaired it? So he has to maintain this page. This is the main page we worked for 4 months. Like this is the main database. If he wants to update anything between Lucknow and Kanpur, he has to select one territory and the other section territory and the section and the section, and he has to update everything. He is the main staff, so he knows all about it. I don't know. Submit, and if he wants to give any mail to administrator or his colleagues, he can do in the mail stuff and feedbacks to the company or to the admin. He can change the password. It is about the company, and we can finally sign out. And the main work is from admin, like name is sorry admin and admin. Now login. This is the main home page for administrator. It is the same like staff I know. So his profile, we can check anything, his mobile number, address, or his qualification, and the fault which Amit Jindal has updated, it will reflect here. He can check the fault. If the fault is okay and the description is okay, he will accept it, or else he will delete it. And that deletion, that one message will go to the Amit Jindal and he has to repair it, and then he has to send the details again. He can check to the territory. Admin has all the authorities to search any sections, stations, and if he wants to see all the things, he can go for the main, and he can take the printout also, and he can view all the staffs. Uh, this is the option for verify user. If any new user comes to the company and he registers to the web application, that detail will come here. If the admin will approve him or verify him, then only he can use this application. If he wants to lock any user, he can lock it from here. Like you can see Amit Jindal is there, Amit Kumar is there. If he wants to lock anyone, he can lock it. Any feedbacks about the company or any feedback about the database, he can send it from here. And that last, sign out. This is all about my project, and we have already presented to the company. They liked the web application very much. I hope you like too. Thank you. Bye.